Have you ever wondered how to grow your money beyond just saving? In today's world, where inflation erodes the value of idle cash, investing is no longer optional, it's essential. The good news is that you don't need a degree in finance or a fortune to start. You just need the right tools and guidance. This is where our course, Equity Investment Essentials, a step-by-step guide for beginners, comes in. Equity investment, or investing in stocks, is one of the most effective ways to build long-term wealth. It's the cornerstone of financial growth for millions worldwide. Yet many people hesitate to enter the stock market, overwhelmed by its complexities or afraid of potential risks. But here's the truth. With proper knowledge and strategy, investing in equities can be straightforward and highly rewarding. Think of investing as planting a tree. With the right care, your initial effort grows, producing fruits year after year. Similarly, equity investment can help you achieve financial freedom, fund your dreams, and even retire early. This course is designed to make that journey simple, structured, and actionable. Now let me walk you through what this course has to offer. Titled Equity Investment Essentials, a step-by-step guide for beginners, it's carefully crafted to provide you with a solid foundation in stock investing. The course is divided into 5 practical modules, each building on the last to take you from a beginner to a confident investor. We'll start with the basics. What are stocks and how do they generate wealth? You'll learn key concepts like dividends, capital gains, and the differences between growth and value stocks. And in this module, we'll demystify how stock markets operate. You'll understand the role of stock exchanges, market indices, and different types of stocks. Here, we'll dive deeper into evaluating companies. From analyzing financial statements to understanding key ratios like PE and ROE, you'll gain the skills to identify strong investment opportunities. You'll learn to interpret stock charts, identify trends, and avoid emotional biases that often lead to poor investment decisions. Finally, we'll bring it all together by teaching you how to create and maintain a diversified portfolio aligned with your financial goals and risk tolerance. By the end of this course, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to navigate the stock market and make informed investment decisions. Investing is not about luck. It's about learning and applying the right strategies consistently. This course isn't just about teaching you how to invest. It's about empowering you to take charge of your financial future. The stock market can seem intimidating, but with the proper guidance, it becomes an exciting world of opportunities. So, are you ready to take the first step toward financial independence? Join us in Equity Investment Essentials, a step-by-step guide for beginners. Together, we'll turn your financial goals into a roadmap for success. Let's embark on this journey and unlock the power of equity investing.